The present case is an urgent chamber application for a spoliation order. Ordinarily, we ought to have been in my chambers, but I saw directed that we do it in open court, given the exigencies of the case. So, who do we have?
My lord, my name is Miss Jane Machacha, and I appear for the applicant, Miss Neria Besi.
Your lord, I am Mamkuru to this woman, the one who represents the whole Katsande clan.
It's my lord. Respondent, for the purposes of this court, you are listed here as Phineas Mchatuta Katsande. Please spare us the unnecessary information about who you are and how important you are in your clan. I had occasion to go through the papers filed of record. They raise some very serious issues that impact immensely on our society. Miss Machacha, can I hear you?
Thank you, my lord. In submission for the applicant, I wish to state that I abide by the papers filed off record. However, I wish to vividly kindle the following. My lord, in every other way possible, this particular case stands as an indictment against our nation's present society. This case hinges squarely on what, in some unfortunate respects, society is but ought not to be. In specific, the applicant was married to the deceased in terms of Chapter 511 of our Marriages Act. As an equal in that marriage, the court ought therefore to equally appreciate her rights to all properties accrued over the duration of that marriage. My client has been deprived access to her matrimonial home and had her property seized by the respondent. My lord, the law is very clear. No one whatsoever has got any right to dispossess another person of their property without following due process of the law. The deprived party must approach the courts by way of a spoliation order, otherwise known as mandamus van spoile.
Mandamus Kuita say. Now you're talking things that we don't understand. The bottom line is I'm doing my duty as a father to these children.
Mr. Katsande, I am informed that you were availed the services of an interpreter and you turned it down. So please, spare us the unnecessary interjections.
As I close this address, I plead with this honorable court to grant this application and restore to my client her property and peace of mind, which she has been hugely deprived of by the respondent.